Lucas Latin dance, and we're going to show you what we did this week in our class. So for beginner class, we did our basic step, lead turn, 1, 2, 3, lead 5, 6, 7, cross body lead regular, cross body lead inside turn, then turn, changing hands behind the back, open break, overhead to the neck, flare, open and outside turn, basic, and you're done with beginner class. Excellent, good job guys. Then for advanced class, we did our 360. So we did cross body lead, inside turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 360, and open break, back step connect to your shoulder, get out the way, inside turn. And that's kind of review from last week. On the move for the day, cross body lead, changing hands to get right to right, change 6, 7. You can cross body lead or open break this. 1, switch turn, 2, 3. You're getting the lady's shoulders, turning your inside, 5, 6, 7. Still maintaining connection with the lady's shoulders. We back step, 1, 2, 3. Outside turn, 5, 6, 7. Guys hook right and do their turn. Basic. And you're done. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more salsa and bachata combinations every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye!